morning, guys. Excuse the messy hair and messy face because I just woke up. Yeah, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It is currently 7:35 a.m. and I am up right now because last night I have a friend in town who goes to school in Madison, and he is here until like August something, and he wants to take some pictures, and I said of course, let's do it. And then he's also friends with my other best friend Trez, so Trez, me, and Brennan are gonna go on a photo shoot today, and I'm really excited because I haven't done a photo shoot, just like a casual one, in a long time because I've just been doing senior pictures and that's it. So I'm really excited about it. I wanted to take you guys along so you can see like the behind the scenes of a photo shoot, like a casual photo shoot that I do, and maybe I'll show you how I edit the pictures. But yeah, this is just gonna be like a day in my life kind of. Yeah, welcome and enjoy the video. Okay, I'm currently putting together 2 outfits so I can do 2 outfit changes while I'm taking their pictures. They can take a couple of me on my camera or just on my phone. So these jeans are gonna be the staple piece. I'm wearing these jeans for each outfit. And then I'm either gonna wear this top alone or this top with this cardigan. And then I'm either gonna wear, and then I would change into this top and I'd either wear it alone or with this jacket. So I'm gonna have like 4 potential outfits basically. Tomatoes. Got the first girl here. Now we're just waiting for Brennan, who should be here soon, but I heard he's really excited about this shoot and he is taking a lot of time to pick out his outfits and stuff, yes. So he should be here soon.
Fashionably late.
Fashionably late.
Like
Lesson?
You know, like
car.
Jesus! He's going through that bag. So greedy. Averee, I need pictures over here. Come on.
Oh my god. The butterflies flying around. This is so
butterfly. What if I got that?
Magical.
I love it.
It's hot.
I know.
Today's video is like a day in my life, like picture taking, not senior picture taking. Yeah. But yeah, this is Brennan. This
photo
is
shoot.
I was
Hi
talking
guys.
about you earlier.
Aww.
Did you know I have a YouTube channel?
I think I maybe knew that, but I don't know.
But you're not subscribed?
But I'm not subscribed. So I'm a fake fan.
Wow.
Sorry.
You better go do that.
I know.
I'm really disappointed right now.
I'm literally gonna give birth. Like, there's so much food.
I might go into labor soon.
I know. Oh.
Going to edit the pictures from today. Hey guys, so it's actually the next day because I think the last clip that you saw was me saying that I was going to edit the pictures. I did edit some of them so far, and I kind of wanted to show you how I edit them, but I feel like it's kind of like self-explanatory. Like, I could literally just tell you right now how I edit them instead of like showing you the whole process. I don't know if that's a better way, but that's how I'm gonna do it. So basically I edit on my computer, and there's basically like this app on MacBooks that is Visco, and so I use that. I usually apply the G3 filter to it, and then I bring it down to a 5. And then I usually play with exposure. I always do 1 for contrast. I sharpen it a little bit, and then I also play around with like the skin tone and also temperature. If anything, I'll leave it where it is, otherwise I'll put it up 1 for like a more warmy color. So then I download that, and then I bring it into Lightroom, and I do some smoothing of the face, like get rid of acne, whiten the teeth if there's any smile shots, and then I download that, and then I send it over to the app on my phone, Fonto, and I put in my photography logo onto the picture, and then I download that, and then I send it to the person. Usually, if it's like a professional shoot, I send it to them over Google Photos. I make a little folder, put all their photos in it, and then share it with them. So that's how I'll do it if it's professionally. Otherwise, if it's just like kind of more casual, like it was in this vlog that I just did for a couple of my friends, I just either text it to them or I send it over Snapchat. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I think I got enough behind the scenes footage, but again, this was just like a casual shoot, so there wasn't really much to it. I do want to bring you guys along for when I do one of my senior photo shoots though, and just have like one of my friends come and videotape the behind the scenes, because there's way more that goes into that, with like the angles, the lighting, the backdrop, the outfits, everything like that. This was kind of just like, we literally planned it the night before, and Brendan, who you saw in the video, was just like, I want a photo shoot, and I was like, okay, let's do one. And then we brought Trez because she's a mutual friend, and we just casually took pictures for a couple hours, went out to eat, and went our separate ways. So yeah, but I think it'd be really interesting to put a little bit more photography based things into my channel if you guys would like that. I don't really know like my subscriber base, and if you guys are, if any of you are photographers or anything like that. If you are a photographer, comment it down below. I would love to see some of your work. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you liked it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Even if the sun goes